Hey industry friends, I'm Josh Becker, aka Packaging Josh, Bakery and Confectionery Segment Manager for Harpak-Ulma Packaging. We are a leading packaging equipment supplier for the food, medical device, and non-food industries. We specialize in horizontal flow wrapping technology, thermoforming, tray sealing, and vertical bagging as our core primary packaging solutions for the baking and confectionery segment, as well as automated feeding systems to our primary packaging solutions with a full range of secondary and tertiary automated solutions to take your bakery products from the cooler or freezer all the way to the end-of-line palletization. We can truly be your turnkey packaging equipment solutions provider from product to pallet. I am so excited to give you a peek behind the curtain of what we will be showcasing this year at IBIE 2025. We will be featuring our Arctic Box Motion Flow Wrapper, coupled with a product grouping infeed, packaging brioche buns in a paper style film. A perfect combination to give your products that shelf presence differentiation in the marketplace. Also in our booth will be our end-of-line gravity packer for breads, buns, and rolls that need to be packed into either baskets, totes, trays, or cases. For more primary packaging solutions, we will be showcasing an entry-level tray sealer called the Chino, perfect for the map tray sealing of cookies, pretzels, or various other baked snacks in preformed containers. The role of packaging is becoming increasingly important in the baking and confectionery segment. Stop by our booth and talk to me or one of our staff members, and we can show you how our advanced packaging technologies can help you drive down costs and improve throughput to give you that competitive advantage. So come by the West Hall, booth 400, and let's chat, or check out more about us at www.harpak-ulma.com. I'll see you in Vegas.